Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, CD player, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, fog lights, compass, trip computer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.